guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the new Kendall and Kylie Cosmetics collection and also her cream bronzers that she just came out with. This is the finishing look I came out with, and if you guys want to see my thoughts and opinions and how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm so excited to be reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics and Kendall palette. It looks like this. Honestly, the packaging is just so very like mature, like it's very simple and sleek. I absolutely love the packaging. I also got the bronzer stick in Act Natural, and I also got, since I wasn't able to get the collection when I first released, it did sell out quick. I ended up getting it when she restocked just the palette, and she did restock the cream bronzer, so I got the other bronzer within her bronzer collection in bronze medium. And then I also picked up the Stormy blush and Flutter in Love because I never got the Stormy collection and I love blushes, so I was like, why not? I think I'm just gonna go start off with Runs in the Family. It is a very yellow color. Automatically there is a lot of kickback, so keep a note of that. I did prime my eyes. I used a P. base in number 2, just in case you guys are wondering. And let me just kind of like, it's creasing a little on me. I don't know what look we're gonna do today, but I just know it's gonna be a bomb look. So I'm just applying this here. It's actually pigmented. And then I'm just gonna go in with, I'm just gonna transition it to Scorpio Energy. So Scorpio Energy is gonna be the next color I'm gonna transition it to. Then Name a More Iconic Duo is the next color I'm going to use in the outer. It is like a lilac pink, like lilac purple, like a lilac color. I was gonna say lilac pink. Ignore my stupidness. So this, I'm just gonna like use it in the outer corner. So I am going to cut the crease and I will come back and apply the lid color. So this one is the green I'm going to be using. It is like a almost like a lime green with just shimmer in it. So look how pretty that looks, honestly. Like this whole entire look matches my shirt. Like, oh my god, stunning. But there's a lot of like fallout, so keep in mind. Honestly, it looks very, very nice. And then you're just gonna blend everything on top. It looks really, really nice, you guys. But I'm going to come back. I will do my other eye. I would add lashes, liner, and then we're gonna get on to the face. So okay, you guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I basically did my foundation. I even did concealer, and that's about it. My eyes, you guys, like, I am in love. Like, the color scheme in this palette, I feel like they nailed it, and it's just so nice. The quality of the shadows so far, they work the same as any other Kylie Cosmetics shadows, in my opinion, from the palettes that I've owned and tried. But I'm so obsessed with this look. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. Yeah, it's so pretty. I think I'm a little bit more excited to try these cream products just because I am personally been obsessed with cream. Anything is just my go-to. If you guys haven't seen my summer makeup look, I will link it down below for you guys to watch it. So before I do anything, I forgot to tell y'all, like, I kind of cheated. So the only review I've seen is Time the Infamous. I will link her video down below where she tried the collection. That's the only video I swear I saw, and I know from her video she did not like the Act Natural because it's like a grayish kind of tone color. It's more like a contour shade because, you know, contouring color is supposed to have that gray undertone. So thank God I got the bronze medium because it's more warmer. So I will literally just swatch it here. I kind of feel like I could have gone darker, but like I didn't know any better. I could have gone with the next one up. But and this one is Act Natural. It's very sleek package. I really like the whole sleekness of this whole collection. It represents Kendall herself, but that's Act Natural. That's very, very warm. It's gonna look so gray, but I'm just gonna wipe it off my hand. And then for the Stormy blush, I'm just gonna open the packaging. It is called Flutter in Love, but you know, this isn't really important because it's not new, but just in case you guys are interested, I love Kylie's blushes. Hands down, best blushes. One of the best blushes ever. So I think I'm just gonna start off with bronze medium because it looks more warm. Like, for bronzer, it has to be like a warmer color. You can't bronze your face with a neutral tone. Like, what the hell? So honestly, I have the KKW version, and with Kim's cream bronzers, they're amazing. Hands down one of the creamiest bronzing sticks I've ever tried. Well, besides Cover FX, but I absolutely love Kim's cream bronzers. Honestly, it feels creamy just like that, but just like in a stick form. I don't know which one is creamier, but I'm kind of mad at myself because I could have gone a shade higher than this. Like, I don't know what possessed me not to get a darker shade. So yeah, no, this gives me more like a natural bronze. Yeah, this gives me a very, very natural bronze. It's really like not much of a bronzer for my skin tone. I mean, you could see a little something, but God forbid I were to go out in the sun this weekend, girl, this would be non-existent. I should have gotten a shade up. I mean, so far it is very, very creamy. Oh my god, I have a hair. It's very, very creamy. I'm just gonna blend my nose a little bit. So the good thing is that if you have never cream contoured before, you don't have to worry. This product is so creamy. Literally a dummy This is cream bronzing for dummies. Like, no, I'm not making fun of anybody, but this is how I see it as. That's how I would sell the Huda bronzer at Sephora. It would be, I would tell people this is the cream bronzer for dummies. And people would automatically buy it because they'd be like, oh, like, because a lot of people, like, they get intimidated with cream bronzer. But there's nothing to get intimidated by. I'm going to use Act Natural. And I'm a little scared. I'm not going to lie. Because if bronze medium looks very natural, I don't know how this is going to look. Oh, actually, it's not bad. So I'm just going to contour just the sides a little bit. And then blend it with the sponge. It's okay, you know, it's okay. Like, I'm not like, I mean, it's very creamy, but I don't know how I feel about it. But I'm going to, since this bronzer isn't going to be enough for my entire skin, the look that I'm going for, because I want to be really bronzy, I'm just going to apply a powder bronzer. I'll be right back. Shade off. So this is after applying the Stormy blush. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to apply highlighter, a lipstick, and I'm just gonna fix myself up, and then I'm gonna give you guys my overall thoughts. Okay, so we're back, y'all. I applied lipstick and all of that stuff, even highlighter. Okay, so what do I think about the collection? The #1 star is obviously the palette. If you guys can get your hands on the palette, I would definitely grab it. It is just, the color scheme is so not like any other palette I've seen before, and her shadows work pretty well. There's just a lot of kickback, but that's with any other shadow, really. I would definitely buy this again. I mean, it hasn't stopped me. I didn't receive this for free. I bought this myself, so I'm happy with my purchase. The bronzer sticks. Okay, the bronzer sticks, I love the formula. It's very, very creamy, and clearly I applied powder. When I came back on camera, I already had concealer and powder, so it did not go weird. Sometimes cream and powder don't work well together, and it could literally make it look splotchy. It did not make my face splotchy whatsoever. It looks very, very beautiful. So I would I honestly would definitely grab these two again. Now, the Kendall one. The Kendall one, honestly, it's not for every skin tone. I'm Stromboli in NARS Radiant. I am Moretti in Huda. NC35 for MAC, since I know a lot of people use MAC or have used MAC, but this girl, this will just look ashy if you're anything darker than I am. Like, I can at least pass the mark, but anyone else darker than me, and if I were to get a tan, this will just look so ashy. The fuck. So if you want to look ashy, then you can just grab it, you know. But I would say if you're light to medium, to go, you know, to pick this up. Again, it is a contour grayish color. I definitely like the bronze medium. Again, I would go a shade darker if you're my complexion. Definitely look at swatches online. This, like I said, looks very natural. I would have definitely gone darker. So, but I'm not upset with this. I will keep using this, especially for a no makeup look, or just like a very simple routine. If I want to be glam girl, I'm gonna go a shade darker, but I will be picking up a darker shade because I love her formula. Like, it doesn't look splotchy. These products are a win. Again, if not comparing this one, I wouldn't get this shade again. I'm so sorry, Kendall, but it's just I wouldn't get it again. I wouldn't. I would just powder contour with the powder, with a grayish tone. That's just my opinion. But overall, I absolutely love how this look came out. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see from me. You guys want me to do a haul or anything else, just leave it down below. My Instagram is RosarioPerez78. I will leave it linked down there. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!